name is Nancy Quintana. I study at the University of UNAP. I study infantil pedagogy. I live in Sogamoso City. I'm going to speak about the Chinese world. Which of the new seven wonders of the world do you think is the most amazing? Why? It was built in the century 15 and century 16 in stone and brick by the Ming emperors to defend themselves from invaded nomads who attacked them. Interesting facts. Where is it? It is in China. It is natural or man-made. It was built by the men. How large is it? 11 kilometers. Who might visit it? Everybody. What is the purpose of it? Show to the Chinese history. What makes it wonder? This wonder was built by the men in 2 centuries. Hypothetical situation. 1. What are you doing there? I am visiting this beautiful wonder and knowing landscapes. 2. What do you like or dislike about it? I like the culture, the people, and the Chinese history. 3. How does it make you feel? I feel peace and calm being in this place. What words could you use to describe it? Place of peace and tranquility. Postcard to my parents. Dear parents, I am happy here. This place is beautiful. The culture, the people, and the Chinese history is magnificent. We are taking photos. There are many people here because it is high season. The climate is warm and very pleasant. There are tourists of all the world. The children are surprised and amazed. I invited you to know this because it's a place really beautiful. Thanks so much and Namar.